Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 56 of the Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee, of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your time, what could you make in that time period? So the last time we did our session, I created this little layout with the Picasso image of the lady, and it has like a Parisian kind of coffee theme background. And so but today, and eventually I'm going to finish this page too, but today I've actually got some Happy Meal. So I've gotten it two things of Happy Meal actually. One is from Vera herself, and one is from Brenda of Elastoworks. So and they're both obviously participating in the Essence of Time. So I figure since my journal is going to be something I'm going to store my Happy Meal in, why not just take this session and do a Happy Meal unboxing? So that's what I'm going to do. I received Vera's first, and then I received Brenda's, but I'm just going to go ahead. This is on top, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This literally just came in yesterday, but I just checked the mail this morning. And so let me open this up carefully on the end. I don't want to tear anything or mess anything up. And let's see. We're going to open this up and see what we got going on. And depending on how much time I have, I may actually make something. But knowing me and my indecisiveness, I probably won't have time to do that. Let's see. All right. Make sure I don't forget. Oh, she gave me that candy that she got from one of her Sunday trash talks. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm definitely going to try that out. Let's see. I think she said don't forget the pockets or something. Hold on. Let me make sure I got everything. All right, so let's open this up. Make sure I can't wait to try that. I'm gonna eat some of that. Oh. Hey Sonia, I'm gonna read this silently because I don't know if she wants everybody to know. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so sweet. Brenda, that is just too sweet of you. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these. These are jewelry pieces, like just from her daughter and nieces and stuff like that. Oh, wow. I can definitely do something with these. I like these too, though, actually. These are cute. Oh man, I love these little patterns and stuff. Definitely going to do something with these. Oh wow. Yes, I'm going to have fun like making some stuff. Oh, I can see some dangles with these. These, especially these little feather like kinds, would go good with like a boho theme journal and stuff, and I love those too. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these jewelry pieces. And then I love the greens. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these. I'm going to have so much fun. I appreciate this, Brenda. She is so sweet. All y'all are just so sweet for sending me all this stuff. Oh, I love that. I really, really love that. I am in frame, ain't I? God, I hope I'm in frame. Let me see. And then I love all these little things because I can just see myself dyeing some of these, adding some resin and doing all kinds of little fun little things with these. I am loving all these little pieces. Ooh, wee. Yes, this is like a filigree kind of deal. So I'm gonna put this over here to the side. Love that little heart. I could just see adding some red and rust, and oh boy, that's gonna be fun. All of these are just too cool. I'm definitely gonna do something with these. And I love these little stones and stuff in here. I really appreciate this. This is going to be so much fun. Oh yeah, the little Christmas thingies. Because I do like to make my little Christmas decorations and stuff like that too. So those will go in a great Christmas journal. Really love this. I can see this as being part of a closure or even a belly band in a journal or something. Oh man. Oh wow. I can't believe she just, well, I can believe, but like, this is just too nice. These are some nice pieces. Man, I'm gonna have fun with these. Like I said, it's been, oh, look at this little owl. This is just too cute. Oh my God, this is just too cute. Hold up. This is just too cute. Oh my gosh. I might keep that and just wear that instead of, you know, playing around with it. I love that little owl because I love owls. These are just too cute. I'm going to have fun with all of these. These are so neat. Love those little flowers. Oh, I can just see that hanging off of something. And I like how they've already got the jump rings and stuff like that on them too. So I'm going to have a ball with all of these. And let me just, I got to get a little bite of that, that candy. Because, you know, I love me and my sweets. And we got to see how it tastes. I didn't set my timer, y'all. How long has it been? 5 minutes? I don't know why. Okay, I'm just going to say we got 5 minutes left. I'm sorry, I didn't even set the timer. This is too cute right here. Let me just get a little piece of this right here. Let me see. See how it tastes. I just want to get a little sample of it. Let's see. How do I open this? Let me see. This is the palotes. Palotes. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. I don't know. I took 2 years of Spanish and I can't even speak it right. Let me just get just a little taste just to see. It is good. It has like a strawberry. Well, it's strawberry flavor. This is good. It reminds me of, what does it taste like? Not taffy, but it's good. What does it remind me of? Hold on, let me get another bite. Those little the Tootsie things, not the fruity Tootsie ones. You know how like it during Halloween when they pass out all those billions of little candies? That's what it tastes like. Or those. I'm going to take care of the rest of this. This is good. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Yes. I should have waited until Sunday to eat this, but yeah, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Well, Brenda, you can add this to, oh, let me be careful how I tear this. I could have kept, well, I can still keep part of it and put it in my little, put it in here in my journal. I'm trying to take the rest of this off of here. Well, I'm going to finish this in a minute off camera. I don't want to waste all my time, but I am going to keep this packaging. But I want to go ahead and open up Vera's. Let me set this over here to the side. Ooh, and I've had this for about maybe almost a week, I think, something like that. Yeah. And so let me see, how should I open this? Let me quickly. I'm trying to keep that part hidden, so I'm gonna turn it on this side. Thank you so much, Vera. Oh my goodness. This is exciting, so exciting. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything in here. I think I got everything. Okay, well first I want to show you these gorgeous, gorgeous papers that she made. Oh, I like how she put them in this little envelope, this little container. These are the ones that she dyed. Oh, I get the originals. Y'all, don't be hating. She made digitals out of them, but lucky me, I get to get the originals. These are just too cool. I love these colors and the grunge and the fact that she made it. Oh, I love. Oh my God, I love these colors. Definitely gonna use some of these in my journal. Oh my gosh, just look at the textures and the colors. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Vera. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I actually won something. I usually don't win anything. These are just too cool. Y'all, look at that. Look at this grungy yumminess. This is me all day long. All day long. I really love these, and especially with these little screws and stuff like that. I need to do some more coffee dyeing and tea dyeing and rest dyeing and all that good old fun stuff. Okay, so we got that. And then, ooh, what's this? Let's see what we got. Oh, I love this container. I love this container. I love that texture on there. Oh, I love this. Y'all, I love jewelry. I love stuff. And she gave me this, she made this cute little dangle. Look at this. Oh, this, you know what? This is going to go good on here. Like, honestly, even this cover that she put it on would look good on the front. Like, or, wait a minute, is this a paper clip? Even though this isn't a, is it a paper clip? Hold on a minute, let me just see. Because I like that. I could just like, how do I do this? Use it as a paper clip. Or turn it into a paper clip or something, because I really like that. But I like that dangle too. Just look at all the different little details on there. I think my time stopped, but it's okay. We're going to go over just a little tiny bit. Look at that. This right here, the little, what do you call it? Soda can tab and all these little things. Thank you, Vera. Oh my goodness. And check this out, honey. She got the cute little, is it Chanel? Because I don't have any, designer stuff. Well, I have some Michael Kors, but nothing like major. But this is just too cute. Look at this fabulous fabric. And oh, I love this. And I can use that on there. Anything on here. I can use all these. This is going to my journal. Okay, so we've got that. We're going to set that aside. And then we're going to look at these. This is just too nice of you, Vera. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all are just too good. I'm going to have to hook y'all up, especially at Christmas. Oh, look at these. Love my little bows and stuff like that. Love these. Oh my goodness. These are just too cute. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, look. Coffee, y'all. Come on now. You already know this is going into my journal. You already know this is going into my journal. And look at this little mini journal. Ooh, the little bees. Oh my goodness. Love these. Love my little bees. And I love this little journal. Look at there. And I love the different papers and things in here. Look at that. All these different textures. And I love that they're in different languages. Like, I love to have stuff instead of just only English. Look at this. Verde. Now, is Verde green? That's Cup Verde cup, green cup. Good Conscience coffee. Yeah, I should know that. Like I said, I took Spanish, but yeah, I don't even remember everything in Spanish. Love that. I can definitely use that. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I just feel so spoiled. Y'all are just too good to me. Look at that. Cute little old butterfly. I love the little colors on there. Look at this. And we've got some different stuff on here. Is this okay? I'm trying to think. Do I remember seeing that? I'm trying to remember if I saw her make something like that. Thank you, though. I love all these patterns and stuff. Like I said, I love the different languages. Love that coffee dye or rust stain, all that stuff. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I'm just all of my element. This is just, love this. Oh, and I love this right here. I like that transparency. Look at these. Thank you so much, Vera. Oh my goodness. I love handmade stuff. Papers and stuff. Ooh, look at that. Look at that print. This is just too cute. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I love it. Because especially when other people have different like mediums and things and they create stuff with the things that they have that I don't have. Look at that. Look at these leaves and it's about to be fall. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. I truly, 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 truly appreciate all this. You guys are like super duper awesome. Thank you all. Thank you, Vera and Brenda, for these. That is just so nice, y'all. I just want y'all to know that I do appreciate you all and all of my craft community, everybody in my craft community. I totally appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching and taking the time out with me and spending your minutes with me when you could be doing something else or watching somebody else. Thank you guys so much for just supporting me. I appreciate that so much from my heart. Well, that was my 10-15 minutes of Essence of Time. So we will reconvene tomorrow and we're going to see what we're going to do. I'm probably going to use some of this stuff on that next page, or I might create another page. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.